So now we're going to be reading Bird and Bear by Anne James. Bird and Bear. Today's Bear's birthday. Tap, tap. Wake up, Bear. Good morning, Bird, says Bear. Would you like some breakfast? Happy birthday, Bear, Bird says. Here's a present. It's a peanut. It has 2 delicious nuts inside. How thoughtful, says Bear. Thanks, Bird. What should we do today? Get dressed, Bear, says Bird. Quick, Bear, put on your boots. Who's that? asked Bird. That's my friend, the other bear, says Bear. He looks just like you, says Bird. Is it a sunny day or a rainy day, Bear? asked Bird. It's a sunny day, says Bear. Let's have a picnic. A birthday picnic, says Bird, and a red bucket might come in handy. All aboard, calls Bear. Off we go, calls Bird. Out of the gates they walk, down the street, across the crosswalk, through the park they go. Over the sand, up the stairs. To the pier. We're here, says Bear. Look, says Bird. The other bear is here too. So he is, says Bear. And look, there's another bird who looks just like you. How about that, says Bird. My tummy's rumbling, says Bear. It's just like it must be picnic time. Uh-oh, calls Bird. The other bear is gone. Maybe he's over here, says Bear. Here they both are, says Bird. That's good, says Bear, as he gets the picnic ready. One for me, one for you, one for the other bear, he says. And some crumbs for the other bird, says Bird. Suddenly, the water ripples. Oh! So it's not a real bear, says Bear. And it's not a real bird, says Bird. Then Bear smiles. Let's play a birthday game, he says. And let's take the red bucket, says Bird. Hello, other bear. Hello, other bird, says Bear. Goodbye, other bear. Goodbye, other bird. Time to go, says Bear. All aboard. Off we go again, calls Bird. Along the pier they walk. I like having a friend who looks just like me, says Bear. Down the steps. Me too, says Bird. Over the sand. But, says Bear, it's good to have a friend who's different. Yes, it is, says Bird. Through the park they go. It's nice to have someone to talk to, says Bird. Across the crosswalk. Very nice, says Bear. And down the street. Do you have a bird day, Bird? Asks Bear. I have a hatch day, says Bird. It's coming up soon. They stop at Bear's gate. We could do something special for your hatch day, Bird, says Bear. Let's, says Bird. See you tomorrow, Bird. See you tomorrow, Bear. That end. Thanks, bye!